Modern science is constantly trying to come up with an accurate technology that can help in earthquake prediction. But do you know that some animals have a natural instinct that helps them sense whether an earthquake is going to happen? Snakes can predict earthquakes. Research has shown that snakes can predict a coming earthquake from 75 miles away, up to 5 days before it happens. If you want to get more such stranger than fiction facts each and every day, you have to do just one thing: subscribe to this channel and press the bell notification icon right now to get instant notifications upon the release of each and every new video on this channel. See you today then. My regards to you all.